Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to One Healthy Life. In today's video, we are going to talk about all about Ducan Diet. Is this your diet? Find it out here plus free meal plan. Before we start, hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. It is called French medical solution for permanent weight loss. The Ducan Diet is the ultimate prescription diet with only 72 foods to choose from in the first phase. Carbohydrates, even disguised as fruits and vegetables, are enemies. Pierre Ducan's high-protein, low-carb plan was first announced in France in 2000 under the name Je ne sais pas maigrir, I don't know how to lose weight. It was in 2010 that the Ducan movement reached England and was renamed the Ducan Diet. Ducan was already a beginner in very carb-free blocks, but with a bit of help from a fairly well-known fan, Ducan left a gap in the mysterious market for imminent weight loss. Kate Middleton is reported to have reduced 2 dress sizes using Ducan's method for a royal wedding. Pierre Ducan began his medical career as a neurology expert, but switched to his nutrition after recommending a high-protein diet to his friend who was anxious to lose weight. It is said that it was. Very impressed by the rapid downsizing of his friends, Ducan eventually began developing and researching a diet that would eventually make him a popular name. To date, Ducan Diet books have been sold more than 8 million times worldwide and translated into 14 different languages. The Ducan Diet is a high-protein, low-carbohydrate eating plan designed by Pierre Ducan, a former French physician and self-proclaimed nutritionist. Also called the Ducan method, this diet is based on how hunter-gatherers may have eaten. The diet includes 100 foods, and all are either proteins or vegetables. A person can eat as much as they like, as long as they only eat those 100 foods. The Ducan diet may contribute to weight loss, but research has linked it to possible health complications, including kidney disease and liver disease. Also, it may not provide the full range of nutrients the body needs. This article provides a review of the Ducan diet, including its method, if it works, and some possible health risks. What is the Ducan diet? Sharon, advocates of the Ducan diet, believes that it can help a person lose weight. The Ducan diet requires a person to eat high-protein foods and reduce their intake of carbs and fats. It focuses on natural rather than packaged foods, and it encourages daily physical activity. The official Ducan Diet website provides a list of the 100 foods allowed on the diet. Of the 100 foods, 68 are pure proteins and 32 are vegetables. A person can introduce additional foods during the later stages of the diet. The Ducan Diet is based on the theory that eating a lot of protein can help people lose weight. This is because lean, high-protein foods tend to be lower in calories, eating protein can help people feel full, digesting protein uses more energy, so the body burns a few more calories. Restricting carbs and fats induces a starvation-like state, which forces the body to use fat stores for energy, similar to Atkins' diet. Phase. The Ducan Diet has 4 phases. Attack phase. The attack phase consists of ingesting foods on the pure protein list. It is aimed at rapid weight loss. The theory is that eating large amounts of high-protein foods increases metabolism. It takes a few more calories to digest protein, but nutritionists agree that certain foods cannot boost your metabolism. However, exercise can increase it. People can lose weight at this stage because the loss of carbohydrates dehydrates the body, and this water loss and dehydration can lead to rapid weight loss. The attack phase usually lasts about 2 to 5 days, but anyone trying to lose more than 40 can stay in this phase for more than 7 days. At this stage, you can eat any of the 68 pure proteins listed. These are all lean protein sources, including lean beef, fish, chicken, eggs, soybeans, cottage cheese, and non-fat dairy products. The choices are low in fat and should be free of sugar. People can eat as much as they want, and there is no calorie counting. The diet also requires them to eat at least 1.5 tablespoons of oat bran daily. Oat bran is so high in fiber that the body cannot break down or digest most of these carbohydrates. Foods rich in fiber help reduce hunger. At the stage of seizures, the diet requires at least 1.5 liters of water to be drunk daily and exercise for 20 minutes. The cruise phase. The cruise phase aims to gradually lose weight by including 32 specific vegetables in the diet. People can now eat all 100 foods on the list, but they need to alternate between pure protein days and protein and vegetable days. The length of this stage depends on how much weight a person is trying to lose. It takes 3 days for every pound you want to lose. People can eat an unlimited amount of low-fat protein and an unlimited amount of non-starchy vegetables, such as spinach, okra, lettuce, and green beans. During the cruising phase, you need to eat 2 tablespoons of oat bran and exercise for 30 to 60 minutes daily. Integration phase. The integration phase is not about losing weight, but about avoiding weight gain. One is allowed to introduce some starchy foods, now available daily, unlimited amount of protein and vegetables, fruits, 1.5 ounces of hard cheese, 2 whole wheat bread. Make 1 to 2 and 1 meals of starchy meal. You can also have a festive meal twice a week. At the feast, one can eat what he likes. At this stage, you should eat your core high-protein diet 1 day a week, preferably the same day each week. The phase requires 25 minutes of exercise per day. The stabilization phase. The stabilization phase is the long-term maintenance part of the plan. The person should not expect to lose or gain weight during this time. 1 day each week, they will have an all-protein day, as in the attack phase. Apart from that, they can eat whatever they want as long as they follow some simple rules. Eat 3 tablespoons of oat bran each day, take the stairs as often as possible, have a pure protein each Thursday, exercise for 20 minutes each day, continue to drink 1.5 liters of water daily. The stabilization phase is a long-term plan that becomes part of the person's lifestyle. At this point, people can consume artificial sweeteners, vinegar, sugar-free gum, and spices. The diet also recommends taking multivitamins with minerals. Will it work? Following a high-protein diet may lead to weight loss, but research has not proven that this is healthy weight loss. According to a 2014 study, high-protein diets may promote weight loss for several reasons, including helping the person feel more full, reducing the levels of a hunger hormone called ghrelin, improving the balance of glucose in the body, causing diuresis, or a loss of body fluids. However, researchers have noted that the diet limits certain food groups, such as grains and fruits, which means that it is not nutritionally complete. It can also be a difficult and inconvenient diet, as it requires a person to prepare all meals from scratch. Eating out is possible, but it may be difficult to control the food preparation methods in a restaurant. The Ducan diet has many rules that may make it difficult to maintain, especially if others in the household are not following the diet. Other problems include the following. The initial weight loss will mainly be water, which is temporary. Lean proteins, such as meat and fish, can be expensive. The rules are strict, so it can be hard to follow long-term. Risks. So far, studies have not proven that a high-protein diet is a healthy approach to weight loss. According to British health experts, the Ducan diet is nutritionally imbalanced, and if people avoid it, this type of diet may increase the risk of long-term health problems. There is. Do not follow the rules. A 2014 study reported that consuming large amounts of protein in combination with a Western diet may increase the risk of metabolic disorders. Eating a high-protein diet can stress your kidneys because you need to eliminate the waste products of protein digestion. According to a 2015 study, long-term adherence to the Ducan diet may pose the following health risks: kidney disease, liver disease, osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease. How is the Ducan diet different from the Atkins diet? The Ducan Diet website explains that there are some similarities between the Ducan diet and the Atkins diet, as they both involve reducing carbs. However, there are some key differences. With the Ducan diet, you don't have to count calories, carbs, or other nutritional values. The Ducan diet provides a list of 100 different foods and other items in the final stages, but the Atkins diet is more restricted. The Ducan diet focuses on low-fat proteins, including non-fat dairy products, while the Atkins diet has no restrictions on milk fat, meat fat, or all saturated fats. The Atkins diet recommends shakes, bars, and other packaged foods, while the Ducan diet emphasizes 100 natural foods. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.